Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We just went to our local IKEA and purchased a brand new dining room table and chairs, and it's kind of awesome. In today's video, we're going to do a review on it. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, here we are on the IKEA website, ikea.com. We searched dining room table set. Here's the name and the price, $763. Table and 6 chairs, white. Here's the actual pictorial image here. And right here, you can see the article number. When it comes time to search the warehouse and find this exact table, that's the article number. It is important to know that this comes in a 2-box set. The first box will have this top portion, and the second box will have the extendable portion and the legs. Now, this is one of the coolest things about this table. Not only do we love the white, it is extendable, and it comes with 1 extra leaf, so it seats 4 to 6, and here are the size measurements. I will scroll down. A few additional things I want to mention: the materials and environment. The table itself is particle board, that's the top portion of the table, and then the leg and side rails are solid beech, all covered with the acrylic paint. And then down to the chairs are solid wood, the seat is fiberboard, and the same paint, acrylic paint there. Back to the top, I will show you the different photos. And as you can see, it really brightens up the room. We really like that design there on the legs. Continuing on, there's the chairs. One additional feature on the top portion of the table, that little beveled design, we really like that as well. Continuing on, and as you can see, it really brightens up the room. Check that out. You can even get a really nice rug to go underneath the table and chairs. You can buy that at IKEA as well. So those are the photos. What I want to do now is I want to show you the actual table. We already got it home, we built it, and what we'll do is we'll show you the table bare, and then we will show you the table with really nice plates, coffee cups, and silverware that we also purchased from IKEA. So let's take a look. All right, YouTubers, there is the dining room table set. We've got it set up for 6 chairs. Again, this is extendable, and we've got the extendable portion on this side. It is interchangeable. You can turn the table around and have the extension portion on the opposite side. However, this is the table bare. Again, we really like the design. We really like the chairs. And what we'll do here is we will add all the silverware and plates and bowls and show you what it can look like with additional IKEA settings. Real quick, check this portion out here. This is the leaf I was just talking about. As you shift this out, the actual table portion, like this, rests on these 3 pieces of wood. In other words, this portion right here is the storage portion for your extension leaf that goes here, which is pretty awesome. All right, YouTubers, we're looking at the table from the side. I grabbed the extendable leaf, and you've got those wood tabs there. You will insert them like such, and the actual leaf sets perfectly inside the opening of the extension. So as you can see here, you can add 2 more chairs. It now becomes an 8-top. We'll set our end chair back. So at this point, what I'll do, I'll take the chair out, I'll remove the extendable leaf, and I'll push the extendable portion of the table back in. All right, YouTubers, as you can see, I've got the table completely set, aka dialed up for you, because I want to show you the actual potential of this dining room table set. And again, all this silverware, all these bowls, plates, all purchased from our local IKEA, as well as the coffee mugs. So doesn't matter if you're going for a beach house theme or any type of theme, this table fits and is really affordable and really pretty. Now, shift this to the side. With the table set, you're just going to carefully pull this portion out, and inside here is the extension rail. From here, again, we're back to a 6-top, and we have a really cool beachfront view of the ocean and sky, and guess where we purchased those? $49.99 from our local IKEA. So IKEA's got a really good selection of options when it comes to dining room tables and pictures to go with it, as well as table sets. That's it, DIYers. Hopefully you liked the video. Hey, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.